Hi guys, so today I'm going to be making a video of, I don't know what I'm doing, I might just put a bunch of things together, so, yeah, I want to take a picture, but I'm not going to take a picture, but I just want you guys to answer in the comments. How do you do that? Some people say you put your hand like this and then just act like you're sneezing. Some people say put your hand like you're about to punch someone, but like this, like you're about to punch them from the side of your hand, and then go like that. So how do you do it? See, I don't get it, but I mean, other people might get it. That's why I'm asking if you guys could put in the comments how to do it. And I'm gonna stop this video as soon as the numbers get to 300. So that's why I'm like talking kind of fast, because you guys may have to watch my video over and over again to listen to it, or put it really close to your ear, or turn it all the way up to your volume if you have on like earphones. So yeah, I was thinking, ooh, it just slipped. I was thinking that I should make everyday vlogs videos in the mornings from Boston to Marblehead, and in the afternoons from Marblehead to Boston. It might be me and my friends in it, it might just be me in it. I might make vlogs at school. I can make an educational vlog, like a little girl asked me to in the comments down below. So, I'm just going to tell you guys this now. You guys can't watch me because I'm basically trying to talk to you guys, not really challenge to action. So I just made a video yesterday. It was my bracelet.
It's 40% off the entire store. 40% off the entire store. Yes, get all the best summer styles like tees, tank shorts, and drawers for 40% off.
I mean, it was epic, awesome. I made up my own epic, awesome, like awesome.
I don't have anything.
And my friend, Maya Kayla, my friends, yeah, all my friends, they told me to make a bracelet vlog because I had braces, but I have to make them again because I had braces when I was younger. I'm a midget, but I'm 18. I had braces when I was 10. I had them for 3 years, so I had them until I was 13, and my teeth were fine. Then I went to the doctor, and they said that the medicine that they gave me